Okay, good morning, friends. My name is V. Jyoti, lecturer in zoology. I am from Government Degree College for Women, Siddipet. Today topic is DNA and DNA replication. What is DNA? DNA molecule made up of sugar, phosphate and base. Gene. What is gene? An inheritable factors that control a specific characteristic coded for by the linear sequence of DNA alleles. One specific form of a gene different from another alleles by one or a few bases occupies the same gene locus as another alleles of that gene, dominant or recessive. Chromatin. What is chromatin? Chromatin, genetic material in its natural life cycle made up of DNA. DNA is called structure made up of proteins like called histone protein. Histone or octamer. Okay, chromosome or chromatin. What difference? Chromosome thickened and considered chromatin ready for mitosis or meiosis. Ready for mitosis and meiosis. Chromatids. Two of the same chromosome double for reproductive process referred to as sister chromatids. What is genome? The whole genetic information of an organism. What is genome? The whole genetic information of an organism is called genome. DNA was discovered by Hershey and Chek experiment in which bacteriophage, okay, Hershey and Chek experiment bacterial virus called phage were used to demonstrate the DNA is genetic material. The phage used in this experiment consisted of the DNA molecule surrounded by a protein coat. Next, okay, the DNA structure, right-handed DNA structure discovered by Watson Crick. Okay, Watson Crick is a model they built of the structure of DNA. Watson Crick. Okay, nucleic acid. What is nucleic acid? It's very important. The first discovered in this nucleus. Okay, nucleic acid is discovered in nucleus. Building blocks is monomer or nucleotides. Nucleotides are monomers. Okay, polymers are nucleic acids. Nucleotides are 5 carbon sugar is called pentasugar, phosphate and nitrogen bases. Okay, we observe nucleotide T sound is the total one row is called. Okay, 5 carbon sugar, phosphate and nitrogenous base. Nucleic acid are named for their sugar. Okay, two types of DNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid, RNA means ribonucleic acid. Okay, there is one less oxygen on the DNA sugar. So it called deoxy. Deoxyribonucleic acid is important. Ribonucleic acid is RNA. Okay, this is an important question. Next, DNA RNA structure we observe. Okay, very very important. Here we observe second carbon, first carbon or not second carbon. DNA in second carbon, oxygen is less. So deoxyribonucleic acid. Next, RNA. RNA is the ribose, second carbon is present. So ribonucleic acid. Okay. This was penta sugar. Okay. Next one, the structure of DNA and RNA. Genetic material of living organisms is either DNA or RNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA means ribonucleic acid. Next, genes are length of DNA that coded for particular proteins. DNA that coded for particular proteins or gene or length, and a DNA that code for particular proteins. That proteins like histone proteins. Okay, DNA and RNA or polynucleotides. Both DNA and RNA are polynucleotides. They made up of smaller nucleolus called nucleotide. DNA is made up of two polynucleotide strands. Okay, DNA is made up of two polynucleotide strands. We observe this nucleotide, this two polynucleotide strands. We observe DNA is made up of two polynucleotide strands, but RNA is made up of single polynucleotide strand. Okay, what is nucleotide? Nucleotide means we'll already observe this. Nucleotide means 5 carbon, sugar, phosphate and nitrogen base. Okay, this. Okay, next structure of a nucleotides. Okay, a nucleotide is made up of three compounds. One is pentose sugar. This is a 5 carbon sugar. The sugar in DNA is deoxyribose. The sugar in RNA is ribose. Okay, the structure of a nucleotide. A phosphate group are important become they link the sugar one nucleotide onto the phosphate of the next nucleotide to make a polynucleotide. Next, structure of a nucleotide. A nitrogenous base. What's nitrogen? In DNA, the 4 bases are: first one, thymine, adenine, cytosine, guanine. In RNA, the 4 bases are first one, thymine in DNA, but in uracil in RNA both are same, but only different in thymine in DNA, uracil in RNA. Okay, adenine, cytosine, guanine is the same. Okay, next, nitrogen base, 2 types. One is puramides. Next, purines. pyramids and purines. Pyramids are easy to observe. Thymine, cytosine are a pyramid. And a single ring is called a pyramid. Thymine, cytosine, uracil. And purine is double ring. Adenine and guanine. What adenine? Adenine is double ring structure, we already know. Okay, deoxy ADP, deoxyadenosine, deoxyadenosine triphosphate is deoxyadenosine triphosphate is adenosine triphosphate is the ATP, deoxyadenosine triphosphate and phosphate group. Very important. Three group is phosphate group, and deoxyribose sugar is adenine is a double ring. We observe here. One is hexa benzene structure. Another one is penta structure. We observe adenine. So the important nitrogen and ammonia is important in first position. In guanine, deoxy ZTP. Here deoxy ADP and deoxy ZTP means deoxy guanosine triphosphate. Guanosine triphosphate is in guanine. Guanine also double ring structure is purine. Okay, same but different in first carbon is formed oxygen. Oxygen is first form is observed in guanine, so it's important. Okay, next one deoxy CTP means C means cytidine, deoxycytidine triphosphate. Okay, this also pyramid single ring, one benzene structure. Okay, these both are appear. Ammonia and oxygen formula both is observations very important. Cytosine. Okay, next this structure we observe pyramidine structure, thymine and cytosine is important. Adenine paired with thymine, guanine paired with cytosine in DNA. But in adenine paired with uracil, we observe uracil structure and thymine structure both are similar. We observe but in RNA uracil, but DNA thymine. Okay, adenine paired with thymine in double hydrogen bond, and guanine paired with cytosine and triple bond. Okay, this was important. Thymine and guanine and cytosine and adenine. Okay, this is what nitrogen bases of DNA. Double ring is called purine, single ring is called a pyramid. Pyramid are thymine, cytosine, purines are adenine, guanine. Okay, next to DNA molecules. DNA molecules we observe pyramids. This was pyramid. Cytosine, thymine and uracil. We observe thymine and uracil diagram. Only ammonia is absent. Only ammonia is absent in second carbon in RNA. Ammonia is ammonia not methane CH3. CH3 is absent in second carbon in RNA. Okay, and same structure. We observe same structure, but only methane CH3, only methane only absent in your cell. Okay. Next, purine. Adenine first carbon have ammonia NH2, but in guanine double bond oxygen is ketone is observed. Double bond C double bond O means ketone is observed, but in thymine ketone group observed, and uracil also ketone, but in cytosine is first carbon is ammonia. Okay, NH2. This structure was we observe. Deoxyribose in DNA means second carbon oxygen absent, but here present. Okay, we observe second okay, this OH second carbon not present. Okay. Okay, next polynucleotides. Polynucleotides means it uh, 5 penta sugar and nitrogen bases, and phosphate is the phosphorus group. This the backbone of is the nucleosides. Nucleosides are phosphate only, is a glycosidic bond. We observe next nitrogenous base and pentose sugar phosphate group, very important. This was nucleotides. Tide means total matter, total is called nitrogenous base, pentose sugar, phosphate, both are observed in a nucleotide. If a polynucleotide. Okay, two polynucleotide observed in DNA, one polypeptide is observed in RNA. Next is sugar phosphate bond. Sugar phosphate bond means backbone of DNA is very important. Sugar phosphate bond is backbone of DNA. Nucleotides are connected to each other via the phosphate on one nucleotide and the sugar on the next nucleotide, a polynucleotide. It's called backbone is phosphate and sugar, and this was a nitrogen based thymine, cytosine adenyl nucleotide. Okay, polynucleotide, each nucleotide in link to the next by covalent bond between their phosphate and sugar is called backbone of the DNA. Okay. Next, base pairing. How it base pair in nitrogenous base. Okay, observe this diagram. First, we a nitrogenous bases pair up with another bases. For example, the bases of one strand of DNA base pair with the bases on the opposite strand of the DNA. Okay, this base pair and sugar phosphate backbone. This was sugar phosphate backbone. Middle is the base pair. The diagram of the DNA molecule showing its backbone of alternating sugar phosphate unit with the base projecting into certain creating base pair. Okay, next in the rule means adenine always base pair with thymine, or only in uracil if RNA. Cytosine always base pair with guanine. Bases are held together by weak hydrogen bonds. Okay, not strong, only weak hydrogen bonds between hydrogen and fluorine, nitrogen, oxygen also. Next, complementary base pairing. How complement? Pure temperament in RNA and DNA. First one, DNA sequence gene. First to adenine, thymine. Adenine, uracil in RNA, guanine, cytosine in both RNA and DNA. Okay, DNA and RNA molecules. This structure is DNA RNA molecule. Okay, this dot is identify this adenine paired with uracil, but in DNA adenine paired with thymine. Okay. Okay, next the required diagram. First one is molecules is a hydrogen bond. We observe base pair with bonding hydrogen bond is adenine is hydrogen double bonded thymine, guanine triple bonded cytosine is a hydrogen bonding, and here nitrogen base and sugar penta sugar is bonded by glycosidic bond. Okay, glycosidic bond, very important. Glycosidic bond is okay, the double coiled structure observed in DNA structure. Okay, next okay, double coiled structure and sugar, here we observe penta sugar and phosphate backbone is bonded by uh, phosphodiester bond and glycosidic bond, hydrogen bond is very important for the MSc entrance. Okay, this was backbone, this one nitrogen bond, glycosidic bond. Okay, the replication of DNA, the phase. Okay, 1 minute. First one, we observe replication, how it replicate. Uh, we another one we observe sugar is penta sugar. Upper side we show and downside it will go. Okay, it is very important for. So middle is the bond is hydrogen bond replication. It's a double coiled structure. The DNA replication overview. 20 different enzymes and another proteins. The three major steps are the S phase. S means synthesis phase, and first one is point enzymes attached to existing DNA break hydrogen bonds between base pairs. Very important. First hydrogen bond between the base pair is break first. Double helical unwinked creating replication fork is important. Third one is new and matching strand is the synthesized for the new existing strand. Enzyme controlled and work in one direction, like leading stand. Leading means toward replication fork. Lagging stand means away from replication fork. Okay, it's all important, very very important. Leading and landing, so leading and lagging is always from. Lagging means away from replication fork, very very important, away from replication fork. The toward replication fork is leading. Leading means like ladder. Next, replication, like semi conservative. It's Watson Crick. First observe, DNA replication is thought to be semi conservative, uses 1 by 2 of the parent strand as half. 1 by 2 means half of the new daughter strand. Half is parent is old strand, another one is new strand. Half is called conserves the need for the production of the new bases. The parent strand is a template that add complemented bases. Very important. The parent strand is the template strand. Okay. Semi conservative method we also observe. Okay, next the two strands of DNA separate from one another. Each strand serves as a template for a new strand. Each new DNA molecule consists of one old strand and one new strand. So this was semi conservative method. Next, the role of enzyme, very very important. Helicase unwinked and separates the DNA molecules, allow for replication enzyme to attach. First one, helicase. Second one, DNA polymerase is synthesis. Next, joins DNA monomers, creating long chain of DNA. Assemble nucleotides in current order is very important. DNA polymerase is a joins DNA monomers, creating a long chain of the DNA. Assembles nucleotides in correct order. So adenine paired with thymine, guanine paired with cytosine in DNA. Okay, very important. DNA ligase to bind. Ligase is bind or stick. Okay, binding. Illustrated the join of the DNA strand is we observe this adenine thymine deoxyribose total. Okay, next to phosphate also, guanine and cytosine pairing, and double ring base, single ring base. Okay, double ring base is called purines, and single ring base is called thymine. Also this strand to observe cytosine bond with guanine bond with cytosine. It's very important too. Correctly nucleotide which polymerase enzyme is very very important. DNA polymerase 1, 2, 3 is very very important. So one is new strand, one is old strand. We observe the template strand is old and new strand is, this is called semi conservative. Semi means half new, half old. Next, mutations. DNA is typical animal cells as about 3 million nucleotide pairs, 6 million nucleotides, and error occurs approximately in every 1000 nucleotides. These errors are usually repeated, leaving about one error in about 1 million nucleotides. An error that remains is a mutation and can be harmful or lethal. Okay, this between generation and here inside the bacteria. Okay, we observe DNA is division and replication, and first one is the transcription. DNA, how it formed first in a nucleotide, uh, nucleolus, form into DNA into mRNA is copied is called transcription. After mRNA it go out in cytoplasm, it translation after is come to participate protein synthesis. Okay, these human, sheep and hen is both adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. The relative amount of base in DNA from various organisms different in we observe. Okay, and 1 minute. Okay, in this topic, what was the importance? Here we have so enzymes very important in MSc entrance. We give to these enzymes. Which enzymes involved in replication? Helicase, DNA polymerase, and DNA ligase. Very important. Ligase means joining of DNA strand, means jointed. One is old and another one is new strand jointed by hydrogen or double hydrogen bond, or the or triple hydrogen bond is link up, and a glycosidic bond and phosphodiester bond or next, DNA polymerase is important to assemble nucleotide in correct order. So, adenine paired with thymine, guanine paired with cytosine is a very important polymerase too. Helicase is a DNA is a double helical structure. So, a helicase is to unwind and separated the DNA molecules allow for the replication enzyme to attach. So is important. Another important MSc entrance bit come in. Okay, what is semi-conservative? One is half of the parent strand is template, half of the new strand is apparent. Okay, semi-conservative method. Who is proposed? Watson Crick, very important. Next, this also leading and lagging strand also important question for MSc entrance bit. Leading means toward replication fork, and lagging leading when it observe leading means it will come to 3 prime to 5 prime. The logging is which strand, template strand 5 prime to 3 prime is logging, very important. 3 prime to 5 prime is leading strand, 5 prime to 3 prime is so away from replication fork. Okay, it's very important. Next, another important question is bond, very important. Nitrogen base is bonded by hydrogen bond, and sugar nitrogen base bonded by glycosidic bond, and sugar and phosphate is pentasugar and phosphate backbone, but phosphodiester bond very important this bit in MS entrance. And another bit important to observe, what is chromosome and chromatin different. Chromosome is ready for mitosis, meiosis. Okay, ready for mitosis, meiosis. It chromatid is the duplicate for the reproductive process referred as a sister chromatid. This is very important. Okay, which protein in a DNA called protein is a histone protein, very important. Okay, next okay, another important is the nucleotide. Nucleotide is a total. T for total. We have the total means 5 carbon, sugar, phosphate, and nitrogen base. Okay, this was nucleotide. Tide means total. Nucleoside, when we observe nucleoside means sugar and phosphate only. Nucleotide means 5 carbon, sugar, phosphate, and nitrogen bases. Okay. Another important is different for deoxyribo sugar and RNA ribo sugar. Deoxy means the second carbon, oxygen is not observed. Here the second is H. We only observe, but in second carbon H and OH. So it is deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid. Okay. 1 minute. Next, another important is okay. DNA is made up of 2 nucleotide strands. RNA is made up of only single polypeptide strand. Is very important. The structure of nucleotides. One is very important. 5 carbon sugar, and sugar is deoxyribosome, and in DNA, but RNA only ribose sugar. Okay, this yellow part is phosphate group. Okay, this different of the DNA and thymine, and RNA is uracil separated, but sometime this important question will become is structure also. Purine is adenine guanine, pyramid is thymine adenine cytosine. Structure also double ring or purine, single ring or pyramids, and ketone group is observed in thymine and guanine, so it not bonded. So ammonia in observed in adenine, so it bonded in double hydrogen bond, and guanine is bonded in triple hydrogen bond in cytosine. Next nucleotides are connected to each other of the phosphate. So what is backbone? Very important. Backbone of the DNA is phosphate, and sugar is bonded by glycosidic bond or phosphodiester bond. Glycosidic. Okay, glycosidic bond is only sugar and nitrogen base observed. Phosphodiester bond in observing backbone of DNA. Okay, next base pair. This was base pair. Very important. This was important. So another time we go to another lesson. So thank you for giving this opportunity. Okay, please stay home Bye. Bye.